Subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for the latest video updates. Women past a certain age will experience menopause. Menopause is defined as having no menstrual period for 1 year. The age you experience it can vary, but it typically occurs in your late 40s to early 50s. Menopause can cause many changes in your body. The symptoms are the result of a decreased production of estrogen and progesterone in your ovaries. These are the things every woman should know about menopause. Number 1. What age will I be when I go through menopause? The average age for onset of menopause is 51. The majority of women stop having periods somewhere between ages 45 to 55. The beginning stages of declining ovary function can start years before that in some women. Others will continue to have menstrual periods into their late 50s. Number 2. What's the difference between perimenopause and menopause? Perimenopause refers to the period of time right before menopause begins. During perimenopause, your body is beginning the transition into menopause. That means that hormone production for your ovaries is beginning to decline. You may begin to experience some symptoms commonly associated with menopause, like hot flashes. Your menstrual cycle may become irregular, but it won't cease during the perimenopause stage. Number 3. What symptoms are caused by the reduced levels of estrogen in my body? About 75% of women experience hot flashes during menopause, making them the most common symptoms experienced by menopausal women. Hot flashes can occur during the day or at night. Some women may also experience muscle and joint pain, known as arthralgia, or mood swings. Number 4. How does menopause affect my bone health? The decline in estrogen production may affect the amount of calcium in your bones. This can cause significant decreases in bone density, leading to a condition known as osteoporosis. It can also make you more susceptible to hip, spine, and other bone fractures. Many women experience accelerated bone loss the first few years after their last menstrual period. Number 5. Is heart disease linked to menopause? Conditions related to your heart may arise during menopause, such as dizziness or cardiac palpitations. Decreased estrogen levels can prevent your body from retaining flexible arteries. This can impact blood flow. Watching your weight, eating a healthy and balanced diet, exercising, and not smoking can reduce your chances of developing heart conditions. Number 6. Will I gain weight when I experience menopause? Changes in your hormone levels may cause you to gain weight. However, aging can also contribute to weight gain. Number 7. Will I experience the same symptoms as my mother, sister, or friends? The symptoms of menopause vary from one woman to another, even in the same families. The age and rate of decline of ovary function differ tremendously. This means you'll need to manage your menopause individually. What worked for your mother or best friend may not work for you. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked the video, please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for new video updates.